Hello beautiful and welcome to my insanity. For today's video, as you can see by the title, I had a little bit of a brain moment. So I did message a friend and tell them like, hey, you've got 5 minutes to stop me from doing this idea. And they texted me in 7, so I bought it. I spent $170 on slime. I like to have methods to my madness. So the method to this specific madness is, at one point, I don't know how it happened, but I found myself to like this YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it all because like you started this weird little obsession for me. Thank you very much. I say that both with like some sarcasm because like, why am I spending this amount of money on slime? But also thank you very much because I have watched hours of slime content and I don't know why. But I found myself throughout COVID watching hours worth of slime videos and I just found them so satisfying and I found them so fun and I wanted to play with the pretty colors and the pretty textures, so I decided to go to Slime Obsidian and spend $170 on it. Because you know what I'm like, when I have my brain set on something, I can't go 100%. Oh no, 100%, she's too little. We gotta go 1000%. We gotta up that baby cake so high. So I could have gone to Kmart, one of my favorite places on earth. I love Kmart so much. But the slime there, it isn't the quality that I've been seeing in the YouTube videos, and I wanted to go for the quality that I've been seeing in the YouTube videos. So I have the package here and I'm yet to open it. I'm yet to see any of the inside. So I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing and then I'm gonna get to like the real fun of it. So I have a cute little setup. I even bought a microphone for this. That's how hardcore I'm going for this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have my little X-Acto blade, so we're gonna be really careful with it. Don't have my ironing board in front of me today to help us out, so we're just gonna have to be real gentle and hope that I don't drop anything. If you're not new to my channel, you know that me dropping stuff is a very common thing. Okay, so we got the flaps are open. I'm so excited. Ah, that's so cute. What are you? You're not slime. Wait, what are you? You're not slime. Is that a cute little card? What are you? Is that candy? I love candy. What are you? Airheads, watermelon, artificially flavored. Are you gum? I want to make sure that I'm not going to be chewing gum. I really need to know if you're gum. If I swallow you, are you staying in my stomach for like 8 years? Because that terrifies me. Airhead candy. That looks an unhealthy color green. That does not look an okay color green. I'm so excited to eat this. I have to put it out of my mouth in one bite. I'm gonna pull out a filling. Slime care card. Oh, that's so cute. You know that I'm useless and that I'm a newbie to the slime. Oh my god, it's so gross. There's so much saliva. I'm gonna have a lot of fun editing this. I will probably buy from this brand again, even if I don't want slime, just so that they can give me candy. That is definitely how you make me brand loyal. Give me food. Oh. I apologize for the rest of the video. My tongue's gonna be green. Oh my god, why is this so funny? Back to the slime, back to the real like showstopper of this video, the point of this video, which is I spent $170 on slime. Because this has taken about 4 weeks for it to show up. That is not the company's fault whatsoever. Just the way that the world is with like COVID and stuff at the moment, postage to Australia is almost non-existent. So the fact that it took so long to show up, I really don't mind. But because it's been so long, I forgot what I bought. So this is gonna be a surprise for everyone. So apparently I have bought a sugared lime glimmer, ooh, Fruit Loops, ooh, ultraviolet, ooh, and unicorn ice cream, ooh. That sounds exciting. I don't even, those are ginormous. Do not eat. Maybe that's what comes with the candy. Okay, but to start, we have 2 here. Ooh, they look like they have leaked the teeniest bits. That's okay. I should have grabbed some paper towel. The fact that like one of these is leaked, I don't really mind. I don't really mind whatsoever, because as I said, postage to Australia at the moment is a whole lot of what? You can only prepare for so much. Oh my gosh, my heart just stopped for a second. That's huge. That looks so fun. Okay, so this one is called Ultraviolet, and I'm gonna do like close-ups and stuff on the table, don't worry, but like for the moment I just want to be able to see all of these in their glory, and I'm just Why am I getting so many happy emotions right now? I feel like a kid on Christmas. This is amazing. And then time to go in for the next bad boy. This one's also the one that had ultraviolet leak all over it. So we'll just, oh, you had a lot of ultraviolet. What are you? Unicorn ice cream. Do not eat. I just like how that disclaimer has to be on there. Because people might actually eat it because it does look delicious. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like ice cream. Which is probably why it's called unicorn ice cream. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got a little unicorn horn in it. Ah! That looks so fluffy duffy. This is gonna be fluffy duffy like my eye feathers. This looks so fluffy duffy. Oh my god, look at the colors. I can smell that. For those who don't know, I don't really have a sense of smell. All I can tell you is that it smells sweet. Where's brother? Jai! Brother, this is scented. I can tell that it is sweet, but I cannot tell like what it smells like.
Why is there a unicorn horn in it?
Because it's called unicorn ice cream. What does that smell like? Because to me it just smells sweet, but I want to eat it.
Your shortbread cookies that you make every Christmas.
Do they smell like my does it smell like my shortbreads?
Yeah.
Ah, that's so cute! Ah, no, this one leaked too. Bugger. Australia Post, what you doing? You're ruining my slime. Yeah, look, things coming to Australia, if they come in one piece, you're doing good. Oh, no.
Which one exploded?
I think the sugar, the like crystally one. Okay. Okay. That's, once again, not the company's fault. That's definitely Australia Post. Got my hands clean and I also got the jars clean, so I'm just gonna open up the sugared lime glimmer. Ooh. Alright, what do we got? Oh! He's got little lime things on it. There's so many beads. That. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at how shiny. I hope the lights pick that up. Look how shiny that is. No, I got nothing on this one. Brother, what does that smell like? I can't smell anything with that one.
Cute. Don't have fun.
Don't touch it! I'm supposed to be the first one to touch it. Just sniff it. Stop touching it!
I like the limes in it.
Yeah, same. It's cute, isn't it?
The dishwashing liquid thing. Like that smell?
The one that we have.
Yeah.
The like lemon lime one. Okay, apparently it smells like lemon lime dishwashing liquid. And then lucky last we have Fruit Loops, which this one I'm super excited about because there looks to be like little like squishy balls and like little Fruit Loops and stuff. So like it's just oh, she thick.
She looks like that marshmallow spread.
She thick with like 5. Oh, I can kind of smell this.
It actually smells like Fruit Loops.
Is that what Fruit Loops smells like?
Yeah, Fruit Loops.
But like, look how cute that is. And like, it's got the foam balls in it and stuff as well. I'm so excited to just like stick my fingers.
And the little rings.
Yeah, it's got like little sprinkles and all the, and like, oh, I didn't even see that. It's got little Fruit Loop rings. Oh! Okay, so these are the 4 slimes that I bought and I'm so freaking excited to start diving into them and playing with them because like, in all honesty, first impressions just by like opening up the tub and stuff, they look like so much fun. They look like so much fun, and I feel as though these little dreams that I've been having about slime for the last few months, thank you to Lisa, are about to come true. I've been playing with this for like half an hour now and it just feels like so much fun. It's so soft. It feels like what a marshmallow would feel like if you were like it literally feels like playing with a marshmallow, except one that you can't eat even though it smells delicious. And when I say it smells delicious, I mean like I smell sweetness, therefore I want to eat it. It feels so good. Like I'm glad that I bought this just because like I'm always so stressed. But I literally took like 10 minutes out of my day just to play with slime, just as like a de-stress kind of tool. So on a scale of fake pockets to nachos, I would definitely have to give this one not a unicorn ice cream, but a unicorn dream, because this is so much fun to play with. This is an absolute dream to play with. I love this. I love this. I love this. I just, could you tell that I'm really enjoying myself? Because this is so much fun. This is just so much fun. I don't understand how this exists or how it's just doing all of what it's doing, but like I'm mesmerized by this. This is so much fun. Unicorn dream is what you are, baby cakes. You are. Welcome to the family. I'm having so much fun. Why am I having so much fun? Just like this is the Fruit Loops one, and oh my good golly gosh, like what are words? What are words? What is the English language? I don't know if like it's too sticky or not, but I don't really care because like this is just, it's such a different texture to the last one. Oh, it's just so much fun because like the little foamy beads and like the little sprinkles and stuff, you can feel it in there, and like it just adds a whole other like texture to it, but it's still like super stretchy, and it's just like, oh, I love it so much. On a scale of fake pockets to nachos, I would have to give this one Fruit Loops because it's essential. Fruit Loops is a kind of breakfast. Breakfast is an essential meal of the day. You need breakfast to be able to function, to do all the good, glorious things. Oh my gosh. So I definitely give this a breakfast because it's an essential slime to have, because this is so much fun. Also, if anyone came here for like a legitimate slime video, you come to the wrong place, because really I'm here for fun. I am here to just join in with the madness and the chaos and just all of the good things, because this is, I'm having such a great day. I didn't even realize with this slime I've been playing with for like an hour. The lighting is awful where I am right now, but I've been playing with the slime for like an hour. I think it's still a little bit too sticky, but also I have no idea what I'm doing, so I don't want to ruin it. But like this is just, oh my gosh, this is the only one with like beads in it. So like it's just like the glimmery stuff in it is all just like beads, and this is like the texture of it, the crunchy feeling of it feels amazing. Stretch and you whip, you stretch and you whip, okay, like I love the other two, but like this one's my favorite. This one's my absolute favorite. I just love whip and around, whip and whip, stretch and whip, stretch and whip. On a scale of like fake pockets to nachos, I don't even know how to explain this. Like this, I think this surpasses the scale. That's right, I think this surpasses the scale. This is so good. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh, and you have no idea how hard it is for me to be silent in the background. Recently, I did a video where I spent $160 on wish wigs, and like I got this like neon yellow wig that was supposed to be neon green, but I didn't care because that neon yellow wig was heavenly. I think this is the neon yellow wig of slimes. This is amazing. I didn't expect this to be the one that I like the most. I expected the unicorn ice cream one to be the one that I like the most, but this one, I love the beads. That is sticky. Oh no, that is very sticky. Oh no. How do I... So the ultraviolet slime does go back to being clear, but it's been like 3 days and I'm impatient, so I just want to play with it now. So I was wanting for it to be like completely clear, but yeah, patience is not a virtue, so I want to play with it now. Okay, so I'm filming this part of the video like 3 days later because this one did come in like super duper sticky, which like that's alright. It came from like Florida. I'm in Australia, so like it makes sense that it came like a little bit like not like on point, if that makes sense. It made a long flight, it went through different kinds of altitudes, it also had to survive Australia Post. It's like taffy, forbidden taffy, because you want to eat it but you're not allowed because like it's slime and this is really really bad for you, because like the amount of borax that I've had to put in this thing to get it to this point is, it's not as crunchy as the other ones though, is like ridiculous. I really like this one, but I prefer some of the others. I think I just really like the texture of the one with the beads. I love the crunchiness to it, and this one like I just don't really know how to get it to pop like the other ones. So like on a scale of like fake pockets to nachos, I would definitely have to give this one a forbidden taffy, because like it looks so good, it looks like it tastes so good, but I know that it doesn't, and it's forbidden, and like the forbidden things in the world are always the things that you want more of, right? So I give this one a forbidden taffy out of fake pockets to nachos, and I'm so glad that I bought this one. So if I did have to rank them all, I would definitely have to go that like lime glimmer up the top, because that crunch, I live for the crunch. So I would definitely put the lime glimmer up the top, and then definitely a tie between the unicorn ice cream and the Fruit Loops, and then this one at the bottom, only because I don't think I know how to play with it properly to make it get the like pops. I really like the ones with the sounds. I like the textures, but I like the sounds a lot. So from now on, as an adult, if I am going to buy slime, I'm going to buy slime with beads in it, because I like the kind of sound to it, right? Yeah, so I'm so glad that I did this video. I'm so glad that I gave into the temptation. I'm just so glad that I gave into the temptation, because this is so good. I feel so much less stressed. And I just came home from work as well. So like this is the best way to finish off an evening. It's like 11 o'clock at night and I'm finishing off this video after like being at work all day, and like right now life can't get any better, in all honesty. Please let me know down in the comments which one's your favorite on a scale of fake pockets to nachos, where you'd rate all of them. If you haven't already, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of dumb stuff. And I guess if there's any other like dumb things as an adult you think I would like and you think I should experience, please also let me know that, because I love taking suggestions. I like just making your days brighter and giving you all something to look forward to, and also giving myself something to look forward to as well. The little bubble, that was very, very exciting. But unfortunately this does bring us to the end of the video, and I just hope that you are having an amazing day and you are feeling as amazing as I am, because this is seriously like, even though I'm playing with it really aggressively, like I feel so relaxed. I feel just so like zen at the moment, and I'm never really like a zen kind of person. So like this is as close to zen as I get, and like this is amazing. But I hope that you are just having a fantastic day, a fantastic week, a fantastic month, a fantastic year. You are being as fantastic as always. Bye guys.